Hi everyone, welcome to Power Apps Basics. If you've ever wanted to build your own app but have zero experience, you're in the right place. Power Apps is a Microsoft tool that helps you create custom business applications, even if you're not a developer. It works seamlessly with tools like Excel, SharePoint, and Dataverse, making it perfect for streamlining tasks. That's it for the introductions, and let's start building your first app. In the Power Apps page, click Create, then start with a blank canvas. Then click Tablet Size. Insert text label. In the text value, type today's task. Insert text input. In the tree view, rename the text input to Taskinput. Insert another text label. Type deadline in the text value. Insert date picker. In the tree view, rename date picker to deadline picker. Insert a button. Type submit in the text value. Click the button, then on the onSelect value of the button, type the following. Collect, opening parenthesis, Mytasklist, comma, opening curly bracket. Task, colon, Taskinput.Text, comma. Deadline, colon, Deadlinepicker.SelectedDate. Closing curly bracket, closing parenthesis. Insert data table. In the items value of the table, type Mytasklist. Reposition your table. Click Edit Fields and check Task and Deadline, then click Add. Click the play button on the upper right. Type your task in the task input box. Select a deadline. Click the submit button. Do the same for the next task. And that's it, your first app, built in just minutes. If this helped you, be sure to subscribe, because from here on, we will learn every bit of controls and functions for each videos. I hope to see you again. Thank you for watching.